Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. We're going to actually show you today how to use our all-purpose cleaner. We're going to start today with cleaning out an engine and clean these tires off, clean out the back seat of the car, and gentle enough to get these delicate areas, but yet strong enough to clean up some really heavy dirt. We're going to start today with cleaning out an engine. Sucker's dirty. We're going to do it waterlessly, and we're going to do it with air blaster. So we'll run this all-purpose cleaner on this obviously dirty engine. Now we've got a nice even coating here. Now as you've taken 3D's all-purpose cleaner, just follow up with the 3D waterless wash to make sure that we rinse down any of the all-purpose cleaner that might be lying around on here. Now to show the versatility of the all-purpose cleaner, we're going to go ahead and clean these tires off and along with the wheel wells. We're going to spray it down on the rubber tire here. Spray it down, get some of this dirt out of here. You want to take a towel here in your garage or someone's driveway, put it down there to ensure that we don't stain it black. Rubber tires are going to have a lot of oils and all sorts of things on them. So we want to make sure we don't stain that ground there. It's gentle enough to do all the rims, strong enough to clean the tires, and now your tire is all prepped and ready for its dressing. Now we've gone and we showed you all-purpose cleaner been able to use on tires, wheels, basically virtually everything. Now we're in the inside of this vehicle here. We're going to take and spray it directly onto our towel, because any product that has alkaline cleaners or whatever, if you spray it on directly and you miss it, you can actually kind of stain it because you get a little bit too much cleaning solution on there. We're going to wipe down these nice leather seats. If you want to do a headliner, again, don't spray it. Just lightly put your towel damp enough and give it a nice little scrub here. Don't want to get too crazy because the headliners basically held up by glue. One of the biggest no-nos in ever cleaning the headliner of a vehicle is using a steamer. Some of these people can use a steamer, run it through. Definitely don't want to do that. We recommend you use a chemical like the all-purpose cleaner here. It's mild and gentle enough to protect the vehicle from actually having overused or too heavy of a chemical. I appreciate you taking the time and checking out this segment for 3D's all-purpose cleaner part 104. Great for your engines, great for your tires, and great for your interiors. You can do it from 4-to-1 to 10-to-1, depending on what purpose you're using it for. 10-to-1 for your interiors, 4-to-1 for your engines and wheels. You can use it in your kitchen. You can use it in your car. Use it on tires, wheels, rims. It'll really do pretty much any job that you want. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams with 3D International, and hope you check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Keep up to date with all 3D's latest and greatest innovative car care products. All-purpose cleaner, then do all the work you need.